In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose your primary language in HubSpot. First, we'll navigate to the user guide section on the HubSpot platform. Once you're on the HubSpot homepage, look for a section or menu indicating the user guide. This can usually be accessed from your dashboard or a common settings menu. The user guide serves as a hub for finding detailed instructions and preferences related to your HubSpot account. Next, we're going to click on Settings. Within your HubSpot dashboard, you'll generally find a settings icon or a cogwheel commonly located toward the upper right corner. Clicking here will open a wide range of options to customize your account and personal preferences, one of which we'll use to adjust the language setting. Make sure you're careful here. Settings can alter various aspects of your HubSpot experience, so it's always good to explore, but with attention. Once inside the settings menu, look for an option titled Content. Clicking on Content or something similar will take you into an area where you manage various content-related settings, potentially including your regional and language options. The Content setting centralizes where you configure how information is processed or presented on your HubSpot platform. Having your content and language correctly configured can impact everything from your user experience to how seamless your navigation feels. After accessing the content, you'll need to click on Domains and URLs. This option relates to how your site's domains are structured and managed within HubSpot. It's essential if you're handling multiple regional sites or languages, and will lead us closer to adjusting our language settings effectively. Now, within the Domains and URLs section, there will be a choice for Language Settings. This is where you have direct control over the language preferences that apply to your HubSpot environment. By clicking here, you'll be able to choose your preferred primary language, setting it to what best suits your needs or the needs of your audience. Finally, you will see an option labeled Enable Language-Specific Redirects. By selecting this option, HubSpot can automatically guide users or audiences to content that corresponds with their language preference. This ensures not only ease of navigation for you, but also enhances the experience of anyone interacting with your content by automatically steering them towards their preferred language version. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've successfully chosen and set your primary language in HubSpot, ensuring that your usage of the platform perfectly aligns with your communication preferences and needs. This small change can make a significant difference in how effortlessly you can work and navigate through HubSpot, enhancing your overall productivity and user satisfaction. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to check back for more tips and guidance on managing your HubSpot account.